Hello and welcome again to my channel Digital Engineer 2.0. On this new video I want to show you how to calculate the flow rate in a pool in order to later on be able to calculate the pool pump. Only in this case we're going to make it using this special software intended to calculate the pool pump. So let's go to it. I got the software installed here in my computer. I'm gonna double click on this icon and it displays this main menu. Okay, it says pump calculator and this is my name, Alvaro Cerdas. Okay, if we hit here where it says complete process, then it displays this other screen where you can actually pick a configuration for your pool. There are three different configurations, okay, rectangular, kidney shape, or round shape. Okay, again, kidney, and it shows this configuration or arrangement for a typical kidney shape pool, and the rectangular. And on each case you can see some letters indicating the measurements that are required to calculate the volume and later on the flow rate. So in this example we have the rectangular pool, so we need the length of the pool, the width of the pool, and the two heights. We have a deeper section normally, in this case is represented by the H2, and we have a shallower section, in this case represented by the H1. We need to know all of them before going into the program. Okay. I'm gonna just write down some random numbers just to show you how quick and easy and nice it is to use this software. Okay, let's say it's got a length of 10 feet, a width of 20, it's got a length of 20 feet, a width of 10, and then for the heights I'm gonna go for 4 feet on the shallower part, which it would be this H1, and then say 6 for the deeper section. Now the software has included these buttons right here on the right side to make it easier just to go up or down, okay, in all of them, up or down. Okay, in this case let's say I'm gonna stick with the 4 and with the 6 over here, and I'm gonna go back to the 20, and I'm gonna leave here a 10. Okay, once we got the 4 numbers in place, then we just hit volume, and as you can see the software calculates the cubic feet and the gallons. Now there's an important data here that is called turnover rate, and that is basically the amount of hours that it's going to take, the pump to take all the water out, get it through the filter, and then back to the pool. Okay, the program has pre-configured some numbers, some hours. In this case I'm going to stick with 6, but it also could be 7 or 8. Okay, in my country it's very popular to use 6, so I'm going to leave it 6. And I'm gonna hit here where it says GPM, which corresponds with gallons per minute. I'm gonna click here, and voila, it's already calculated. Okay, so we got a requirement of almost 21 gallons per minute, and that's the flow rate that we're gonna use in our charts to calculate the pump. It's like that, it's that easy. Okay, I can clear the screen. Okay, and just do it again with any numbers I have for my new pool, or even for my existing pool. Okay, 4, 6, hit volume, and then I'm gonna keep the turnover rate, okay, in 6 hours, hit GPM, and I got the 21 again. Now get to this 21, it's very easy. Basically we take this 7,400 gallons and divide it by our turnover rate. Okay, if you do that, then you'll obtain a number, and then that number you divide it by 60 minutes, and that's how we get to the gallons per minute. I'm showing you on the screen how we did that, but it's very easy. Once we got this done, then we just go to calculate the head of water, or feet of water, or the dynamic head of water, that it's the other input required to calculate the pump. Okay, so this is the CTPool 2023 version 1.0 of the software, and on the next video we'll continue with the example and calculate the TDH, or feet of head of water calculation. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. The program is for sale. I would appreciate any comment or any request, and see you in the next one.